This is the Quickmist Spray. It's the fastest of the nicotine replacement therapies, and it actually will deliver nicotine into your brain through the lining of your mouth within 1 to 2 minutes, making it absolutely perfect for those first up in the morning cigarette cravings. Now it does have nicotine in a liquid, and it does contain some alcohol, so you will need to take that into consideration if that's an issue for you. Now the nicotine goes in through the bloodstream into the brain, and we do that via the lining of the mouth. Now this spray does have a really hot, strong taste about it. There are 2 flavours currently available, the mint and the berry mint flavour. Most people prefer the berry flavour because it isn't quite so strong. Usually 1 or 2 sprays are needed to relieve most cravings, but first up in the morning when people might have 2 or maybe even 3 cigarettes because their nicotine levels are at their lowest, more sprays might be needed. It's best to start with 1 spray and just add to that until you find that your cravings are relieved. Most importantly, don't let your body think about a cigarette. If you've got a craving, use the product. Use it regularly and don't let the cravings catch up with you. To open the spray, you need to put your thumb on the notch and press it down into the slot, and then slide the green pump until it's up. When you use it for the first time, you may need to ensure that the pump is clicked into place, as when you press it down, it can often close again. Now, to prime it for the very first time that you use it, you need to spray it away from you and just press down until the spray starts to come out. That's ready to use then. Now, the instructions say to spray under the tongue or in the cheek and hold for a few seconds before swallowing. But you might find that because of its strong taste, it's actually better to spray under the tongue and hold it there as long as you can. This is going to allow the nicotine to actually absorb fully, because nicotine that's swallowed does not work, and it can make you feel nauseous, might give you the hiccups, and it might give you that heartburny, painful feeling in your throat. The taste is easy to get rid of with just a quick drink of water afterwards. And when you're using the spray or any oral nicotine replacement product, it's important not to have had coffee, tea, soft drinks within 15 minutes beforehand, because that can affect the way that the nicotine absorbs into the mouth.